All right, let's make a video here on how to bind your receiver to your FSI4 transmitter. It's a pretty easy process. You shouldn't have to do it on a brand new one, but if for some reason they're unbound or you buy a new receiver, this is how you do it. So you take your receiver, you take the bind plug that's included with every receiver. It's this little looped connector. You plug it into the bind slot on the receiver. On this particular one, it would be what looks like where channel 4 would go. Just like that. Then you need to plug in your drive ESC or whatever has the BEC for it in there. That's going to be the 3-wire from your drive controller. That powers the receiver, so go ahead and plug that in. I'm going to plug in the other drive channel as well, just so it's good for testing. Don't plug in your weapon while you do this, because you're going to need to test it. So with the bind plug in the receiver, you're going to power on the robot, and you'll see a little blinking light on there. From there, you'll hold down the bind button on your transmitter, and then turn it on. And you'll see the light looks like that, and the blinking light on the receiver gets slower. Then go ahead and just turn off your transmitter, power off the robot, take out the bind plug, then turn your transmitter on as normal, then turn on the robot, and you'll see the light is now solid, and then you should be just fine, ready to go. There you go. Have fun.